Papa already. Woo! Look at that fish, Cody. Papa brought us trout fishing. Got a fish already.
Oh, it's that funny.
Woo! Look at that.
Well, that didn't take long. Pop can go bankrupt right quick.
$5.40 a pound. Yeah, I guess so. Is it freaking them out? Did you see the fishy, Cody? Do you like it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Honey, watch the hooks.
Here, let's get another
I guess we'll be eating trout tomorrow night.
Is that exciting?
Tomorrow? You mean tonight? He's about to pop out of the... Hold it up, Cody, so I can take your picture.
Only one more.
All right.
I think that's about a $10 fish. So
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? See, that's what my friend was saying.
All right.
Oh my gosh, Cody.
Come on, we're gonna do another one, and we're gonna go file bankruptcy. All right.
You hold the paw, Cody.
Come on, hold it, Cody.
You want to hold the fishing paw?
Hold it. Hold it. There you go. There you go. Hold it. Hold it.
Whoa!